Good morning. Another problem with a blueprint, meaning like some plans that maybe a contractor has. He's got them on a small piece of paper, and he's going to compare his blueprint to an actual room that he's building or painting. A blueprint has a scale of 1/4 inch is equivalent to 1 foot, meaning that on his blueprint, 1/4 inch, every 1/4 inch is equal to 1 foot in real life. The blueprint shows the design of a room that is 4.5 inches long and 3.5 inches wide. What are the actual dimensions of the room? So it looks like this room is a rectangle. Let's draw it in black here so that we can have a little idea of what it looks like. So let's do it like this. So the length here is 4.5 inches, and the width here is 3.25 inches. So this is what it looks like on his blueprint. In real life, what is it going to look like? So let's first find out the length. What will the length be like? All right, so on the blueprint, we're comparing 1/4 inch is equivalent to 1 foot. So let's go with blueprint to real life. Well, his length is 4.5. On the blueprint. So on the blueprint, we have 1/4 inch. 1 divided by 4 gives you 0.25. And in real life, that's equal to 1 foot. Equals, his blueprint is 4.5 inches. Blueprint, blueprint, blueprint. Again, I'm taking that half, 1 divided by 2 equals 0.5. 4.5 is equal to 4.5. And the question is, how big is the length in real life? And we don't know. So what we get here is 0.25x equals 1 times 4.5, which gives us 4.5. Divide by 0.25, don't lose the decimal. Divide by 0.25. X equals 4.5 divided by 0.25 equals 18 feet in real life. So it's 4.5 inches on his little blueprint. In real life, that's quite a big bedroom. It's 18 feet long, so that's very nice. Let's check out our width. Again, we have to know our comparisons of blueprint to real life. So our blueprint is 1/4 inch, 0.25, to real life, which is 1 foot, equals our width on the blueprint is 3.25 inches. That's 3.25. 1 divided by 4 is 0.25. And what is that in real life? We don't know. 1 times 3.25 is 3.25. And 0.25 times x is 0.25x. And divide by 0.25, don't lose that decimal. Divide by 0.25. X equals 3.25 divided by 0.25 equals 13. So the width is going to be 13 feet. So his blueprint is nice and small, 4.5 inches by 3.25 inches. And in real life, we know that the length is 18 feet by 13 feet wide. Thank you very much.